Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by assembling the dataset and compute you actually need. Grab 5K to 50K diverse images with raw and edited pairs, plus simple masks where relevant. Next, provision a GPU. 116 GB card works for prototype, multiple card speed iteration. Once done, format the data into an efficient container like TF Record or LMDB and build a pipeline that yields randomized batches. This immediate work unlocks training and prevents wasted time later. You now pick the model and training strategy that match your editing goal. For local corrections, use an encoder-decoder. For style or global enhancement, consider diffusion or GAN hybrids. Implement combined losses, pixel L1 or L2 for fidelity, perceptual loss for detail, and adversarial loss if realism matters. Then train with progressive resizing and mixed precision to save time. Augment with color jitter, flips, and synthetic JPEG artifacts. Make sure to monitor validation metrics. You finalize by optimizing and deploying the model. Prune and quantize, then export to ONGS or TensorRT for efficient inference. Package an API or batch utility with strict input normalization and a fallback path for extreme inputs. Once live, iterate with user feedback and small fine-tuning cycles. If results degrade, immediately examine dataset bias, loss weighting, and overfitting. Retrain with more diverse samples or stronger regularization. This closes the loop and keeps the system robust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.